So sheet and view duplicator. If I scroll down and look at my sheets, so we've got our now B1, B2, and B3 with nothing on it. Select the tool. It says you need to be in a view first. I should have known better. So I double click and now I'm in my sheet. Select my view duplicator. And now we have our sheet. So we can call it whatever we want. D1 for my demo plan. Demo plan. Listing the view that's on there is the first detail, the first view, and this is what it's called. I can just hit duplicate like right now. And you can see I now have D1 demo plan. And there's nothing on it. Quick way to create a sheet, named and numbered as you want. If you want to do that same functionality, but you need a copy of the view, you can say, click the same icon. I'm going to call this F1. Plan. Now, if you're going to be duplicating a view, it can't be the same name. We know that from just the way that Revit works. So we either have to give it a prefix or a suffix, and then we can do whatever we want. So the default is suffix duplicated, but maybe I want to say prefix and say CS in front of it and a little dash. Now, if I want to bring a view, I can duplicate the view. I can duplicate with detailing. I can duplicate as dependent. I'm going to say duplicate view. I say duplicate. So now it's creating a new sheet, and it's also putting the view on the sheet. So it's the exact same view on the sheet. And if we scroll up, we also have the view. So now we can start adding furniture to our view. VG, turn on my furniture. And then I go back to my plan, which I'm still not used to the tabs up here. Go back to my plan, and boom, there's my furniture, and I'm off to the races. So again, stuff that we've always been able to do, it's just in a more user-friendly form factor, and we can choose how we want to do it. So that is your sheet and view duplicator. So now it brings to our Viewport lineup tool. So I'm going to select this bad boy, and I'm going to move it over. So it's clearly in a spot where it should not be. And then I'm going to go to my default floor plan, which is the exact same view where I'd like it to be lined up. So now I go to my Viewport lineup tool, wait for it to open up on the wrong screen, of course. And so now we can choose the view we want to align with, and it gives us a little preview. And we can choose which plan we want to align with. So those are my floor plans that I have. I'm going to go with this one. I can choose which view. Now, in this case, there's only one view. If I had selected the sections view, for example, there's 3 or 4 views on there. So then I would have had multiple different views that I could have selected to line up with. Now, the views that I want to line up with. So I'm going to go back to here. Oops, this one there. So now I've got it set up. I choose which one I want it to line up with. I say line up. Alignment complete. Close. Furniture. Boom. Now we're aligned. And that one worked spectacularly well because we used the other tool to copy the view. And that means that our crop regions are in the exact same spot, so it works wonderfully. Use those two tools together, and you get the expected result that you're working for. So 2 for the price of 1 if you want to go down that road there. All right, let's go back into our view here.